Welcome to my channel, and this is the train station here. Here inside is inside. There you go in there inside, and you can sit down and waiting for your train that will, you know. So this is this here. You know, the train station. That one, that building there is the many years ago. This one is one of the place that have history many years ago when the German war. You know, have a lot of history on this train station here. They call it Krylbo. So, everyone, this. And time here is, this is the train that there. That's our small train. That one is going only to Uppsala and Västerås. That we have another big one that will go to main city, Stockholm, and to the other city. So, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Press down also. Bye from now, and the time here in Sweden is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I think in the Philippines is I think it's 3 o'clock. I think it's maybe 4 or I don't know what time there, maybe 10 o'clock in the evening or 11, something like that in the evening. So, bye.